Hello, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been MIA for a while, but I'm back and you'll be seeing a lot more of me. But first, subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends, and get them to subscribe as well. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review. This wig is compliments Love Me Hair, of course. Love Me Hair never misses. The hair quality is top notch at an affordable price, so you can be bougie on a budget. Their wigs come in this beautiful purple packaging. The first thing you see is this beautiful note when you open it up, and I love that about them. This is the mixed color brown curly bob wig, links below. The coloring is gorgeous, not brassy at all. The wig comes with a band, so you can wear it glueless, and all the regular bells and whistles of any wig, of course. The curls on this wig, their curly wigs are truly on another level. Knots look slightly bleached here, but I'm gonna go in and bleach it just a bit more. The lace is really soft, really transparent, so that is awesome. There's always other goodies in the box. We have this wig bag to store your wig, this Love Me pouch, which has a melting band and an edge brush, a purple bonnet which you can wear on either side, which is awesome, a $5 gift card, some wig caps, and the user's guide which tells you all about caring for your wigs and all of that. Okay, so I went ahead and bleached the knots on the wig. I may have over bleached it, but we'll see. Then I put on my little wig cap to try it on. Oh, it's so beautiful, this wig. So this is how the bleaching turned out. When I was done recording, I realized it may have been a bit over bleached, which I did go ahead and fix, so you'll see it in an upcoming video. So as I said, this unit comes with a band. But I didn't care for it much, so I removed it because it was a bit close to my ears. But if you want to wear it glueless, you can definitely do that. So we're gonna try this on and see what it looks like. Really beautiful hair quality, one of the best I've seen. They do plug the hairline a bit for you, so that's always great. You can always pluck it a bit more if you like. But I was feeling lazy on that day, so I skipped that extra plucking. Sorry, not sorry. This wig is definitely small head friendly. Usually I buy wigs and they're always too big for my head, but this one fit really well. It may look a little dry hair, but that's because I shampooed it and I didn't put any products. So we're gonna make those curls pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a ball cap method. Not my favorite process, but hey, we gotta make this look bomb. After I went in with these ebony listings because I felt like the listing matched my complexion too much. I sprayed on that listings, and as you can see, it kind of matches my complexion a lot more, a lot better here. Yeah, it looks so much better. Really blended in with my complexion. Now I'm just marking off where I'm going to put the glue, just so I don't go over, because cleaning up excess glue is always a headache. So I'm going to go in with skin protectant. This is the Ebin skin protectant. I'm going to put that on there to protect my skin for when I lay down this Ebin wig glue. I went in with about 3 layers, making sure that each layer dried completely in between. As every day goes by. Okay, now we're gonna pop this beauty right on. Make sure it adheres to the glue. Listen, I'm no professional wig installer. I'm just an amateur, just like you. So we're gonna learn together, child. We're gonna learn together. Because $150 for a wig install here, that only lasts a week. Can't be doing that too often. So I went ahead and put that on. Make sure that the lace sticks completely to the glue. Make sure everything looks in order. Then I'm gonna put on the melting band to ensure that this wig kind of melts into my skin. I like to put this Love Me silk band on first because I feel like sometimes the melting band sticks to the glue, whereas the silk scarves don't. So I like to double wrap. I'm gonna leave that on for about 30 minutes. I'm back. We're gonna remove those bands, and yeah, it looks pretty good to me. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and now cut the lace. I alternate between scissors and an eyebrow shaper just because it works better that way for me. Now that the lace is off, I'm trying to decide on my parting. I usually go for a side part as it never kind of disappoints for the shape of my face. It always looks so good. For some extra security, I like to go in with the ebony lace spray on top. It just melts the lace even more into my skin and makes it look a little more natural. I'm gonna tie that down, and while that is tied down, we're gonna get this hair in order. It really does not take a lot with Love Me wigs, just some water and mousse, and the curls are popping. There's always minimal shedding on these wigs, and just like that, we're back in the game with some water and some mousse. Just look at how those curls are already popping. Just look at the difference between the two. Gonna do the same for the rest of the wig. And bam! Just look at how beautiful those curls look. I cannot say enough good things about this wig. It's beautiful. The hair quality is superb. They did a really good job on the coloring, and their curly wigs are always just so easy to maintain. Some water and a bit of mousse and you're set. Their wigs also last really long as well. I have a few from 2021 that I installed religiously that still look good today. So trust me when I say Love Me is like top-notch hair that you can actually afford. Yeah, this wig is popping. I look awesome. And this is the wig 1 week later, still popping, still looking good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in our next video. The link for this beautiful wig is linked down below.